Commentary katanak kakoi kakia kajela kakong Ampareen lingdo haga khandai terik ujemang kalau ong bawatla kami kahalaya kalapelat yakinong shong shnong na kaban penrung kerteng Aadhar Henry omla banyo yaki Jingmyntoi jong kakoi kakia nakasorkar pedeng klem u Aadhar. Haba keren kilat pathai khubor halor ka Donkam ya u Aadhar nakabantai ki Jingmyntoi Mhis kakong Ampareen kalau ong.
Certain schemes of the government of India are linked to Aadhar seeding. The food and civil supply, ration, facility for beneficiaries is again linked to Aadhar. The Mhis of the state of Meghalaya, because it is now dovetailed along with the Prime Minister's special scheme for the provision of affordable health uh, health uh, health facilities for the citizens of India. So that also necessitates that Aadhar linkage and seeding is compulsory.
Kokong Ampareen kalau ong ru ba menta lapan Donkam ya u Aadhar haki aka baro bat kinong shong shnong kilas ngau thu ya ka Donkam ban penyaso ya u Aadhar ban yo iki Jingmyntoi naka sarkar.
In the recently held elections of 2023 of the general state elections of the state of Meghalaya as well, several BLOs were encouraging citizens to link their Aadhar to the EPIC. And it was not a compulsory exercise, but it looks like that in the near future, pretty much every documentation for every citizen of the state of Meghalaya as well as the state of India will have to have Aadhar linkages.
Haba penslori kipat ba kajela ban penrung kerteng nakabenta u Aadhar kamentri kalau ong shushu bakani kasian jam kanwan ra ka Jingmyntoi ya ka yeng kasem hakabiadei bat ki babun ki scheme.
So yes, it is a fact, and the people of the state should be encouraged to register Aadhar, because when a crisis occurs in the state, in the family, this Aadhar will be able to allow them to link themselves to several schemes that can help ease out their situations. So yes, state of Meghalaya now has a far better percentage of coverage of Aadhar registry of citizens.